hepiniz.
First of all, welcome to Turkey, welcome to Antalya, our office.
Sıkıntı olmuş arkadaşım, yaralanmış, üzüldüm.
He's one of your friends had an injured, a little accident. He's very sorry about this, and he wish he will be as soon as possible.
Finlandiya'yı biliyorum.
He knows Finland.
Sizin ülkenizle ilgili Beyaz Zambaklar diye bir kitap var, onu okumuştum.
He read about a book about your country, a flower name, but I don't know the name of this flower. It's a white something. Maybe. He read Lily, yeah. He read that book and he likes it. Okay. It's about your country.
Okul arkadaşım Finlandiya'da yaşıyor. Helsinki'de. Ailesiyle beraber.
His schoolmate from Turkey is now living in Helsinki, in Finland.
Yakın tarihte de Finlandiya'da.
He said he was gonna visit Finland soon.
Okay,
To
welcome.
his friend also to see your country.
Sizin gibi beyefendi insanlar görmek güzel.
He is really glad to know person like you guys, and he really enjoyed to have customers like you.
Bizim için ne önerirsiniz? Nasıl geçti? Eksikleriniz var mı? Varsa bunları söyleyebilir misiniz? Bunlar uzatmayı yapalım.
And he's asking right now, what do you offer to us? Do we have something minus about our company? For example, you can say the motorbikes has blah blah blah.
Okay.
For example, our company workers not polite. For example, these are. Please tell us our minus and plus.
Yeah.
Everybody was very kind of for us, and the motorbikes were, most of them were okay, but all the 800 cubic motors, there is no ABS working. That's why our friend fell down. Yeah. It happened same to me. I come to the one cross, and I just twist and I through the whole cross, and ABS not working.
You didn't fall.
But I didn't fall.
On target.
Ben de az kalsın öğretmenim aynı sorundan dedi ama ucuz kurtuldum dedi.
Çok yoğunluk var, aşırı yoğunluk var.
Right now,
Bize bakımları yapıyoruz ama zaten
He said most of the BMWs, the GS series, is going right now. Is selling them, and he's going to buy the for the company new GS models, 800,
850 and 1300,
1,000 to 300 also coming soon.
Çok fazla yoğunluk var.
Also one is clutch is sliding down.
On the
Tires.
no, the clutch.
Clutch. Şeyler.
On the GS 1250, the white and blue and red. The three color.
If you 1 and 2 and 3 is okay, but then when you go 4, 5 and 6, then if you do like that, then
Kaçırıyor diyor.
That was the 1250 HP.
12 HP. Yani aynısı. Onları kaçırıyor diyor. Bu el frenlerinden bahsediyor. Özür dilerim. Debriyajı.
Debriyaj bağlıdan, manuel bağlıdan.
I think the speed on the manual or which do you mean?
Hangi motor diyorsun?
Which bike?
my bike, it's the
The blue one.
The blue
white
one.
and blue one.
White and blue one.
FNV
It's a manual. It's not.
FNV plaka. Efendim?
Tamam. Motorlar zaten bakıma gidecek şimdi hepsinde.
Right now, all motorbikes are going to mention service. Up till down, everywhere. We are going to check over there.
Like I said,
When you are driving slowly.
but like I said, there has not been doing any service because the ABS is not working, and the back brake, there was no liquid.
Arka şeyde frende yağ kalmamış.
Balatırıkta düşüyor oradan. Bakıma gidecek.
Söyledim.
Çok
Ama
yoğunluk var, aşırı yoğunluk
He
var.
said it is right now, really, end of the season, actually for the summer, but start of our season. this time is really busy for the bigger bikes.
Sizin bu elektrikten
He understood you.
But you know, when I come back from the motor, it doesn't help me that you are busy.
Yeah, you're right.
Dedim diye Selim'in çok meşgul olmak bana yardım etmiyor.
ama bunlar dikkate alıyoruz.
He said, no worry. This will never happen again. We will take care about it right now.
One nice thing, the
Yes.
bikes are quite well equipped.
Yeah.
You have a good equipment level, that's nice.
Motorların iyi gidiyor yani.
Böyle bu
Yani
Güzel gidiyor.
en iyi hizmeti vermeye çalışıyoruz.
Yes,
Gerçekten en iyi hizmeti vermeye çalışıyoruz.
He's trying to give his best service for the customers.
Ama gerçekten çok fazla yoğunluk var. Yani İstanbul'da belediyeler başlayacak. Burada bir tur var. İşte farklı. Buradan Avrupa'ya gidecekler motorlar. Zor yetişiyorlar açık söyleyelim. Çünkü tek firma Türkiye'de.
I will explain now slowly. One Brazilian group is going to come to Istanbul to start a tour like you. And one is coming from Dubai, Khaled, Mr. Khaled. He's gonna bring a couple motor with him and they're going to take it from us and he will gonna lead the motorbikes in Finland, Croatia. Yeah, Croatia. And also from England, 14 good guys are going to come. But first of all, in 2 weeks, they will gonna come just for a person, get the motorbikes and make their direction, which way they want to go. They will gonna look first. A couple. That's why the motorbikes really actually is have time just a couple of days, and the next customer is immediately coming. Yeah, please. Yeah. We actually doing our mention service immediately, but sometimes some of bikes has to, because the customer wants it. The time is really short for us.
Ama bu şeyleri biz bunu dikkate alacağız. Gerekli şeyleri arkadaşlar edeceğiz.
He said again, the same. We were gonna do our maintenance service immediately, and all the bikes are going to be welcome as soon as possible. And say sorry. Yeah.
On the 750, nice bike, but the most important, city unit is not working. Horn is not working. Beep beep.
Kornam çalışmıyor 750.
That's bad. That's why he shouted.
You have to say all the way, beep, beep, beep.
Ağzıyla korna çalmışlar. Ağzıyla korna çalıyor.
But on positive note, say hi to Asim from Istanbul.
Yeah.
He was a lot corresponding with him emails and so on. It's really clear, logical, and in person it was a nice day. Everything worked quite well.
Yeah.
One thing, the small minus when we accepted the bikes, it would be nice if the tank was full. Because in Istanbul traffic we had to go straight away to gas.
Yeah.
Because the good light was
Bu
on.
da eksiğimiz diyor. Aslında bunu biraz şey yapabilirler. Depoyu full verseler İstanbul'da işte. Çünkü o trafikte benzinlik nasıl kadar biraz problem yaşadık diyor.
Önceden söyleseydi onu yapıyorduk aslında. Biz normalde boş veriyoruz. Çünkü çünkü o meclis
A couple Turkish customer. We were doing in the past. We were giving our motorbikes full time. But when they bring motorbikes back, they have to give it full time. But they put in the inside the water.
No motorist.
Yeah, but we have
No motorists, terrorists.
in Finland we put vodka.
It's much faster.
Abi bir de orada boyuna göre motor aldı. GS'de değiştirdi.
Ama hala şikayetçi. Biraz önce aşağıda daha bir alçak motor istediğini söyledi. A lower
En
bike
alçak
next time
motor
for
da-
you. Yeah, we will gonna discuss this.
It's terrible.
I told my customer. Yeah, my
It would be good if someone really wants a low bike, is to know how long the legs are,
Yeah.
and what seat height the bike has.
Yeah.
Because now we had to try all different bikes there because
To find the best one
yeah,
for
because
him.
the one the big 1250 GSM GS that was reserved was way too high
Yeah.
and very wide also.
Yes.
Normally bike from the downstairs. Now you can take the measurement of it. That is the low ride.
Yeah, okay. Arkadaş da diyor bunun boyuntusunu alıp da onun boyuntusuna göre bir tane mutlaka bulundurun motosiklet.
Trace ediyor.
He said that next time we're going to give you a tracer set. Finlandia. It's much lower.
Two observations. It would be good if you can, if you have foreign customers, you can change in the BMW the language to English. Because now it was in Turkish.
You couldn't change it. Because
I could change it, but it's more complicated.
yeah, it takes time.
Şeyleri diyor, zaten çoğunluk müşterimiz diyor yabancı. Sistemdeki İngilizce dilinin Türkçe dilinin İngilizce çevirmek çok uğraşıyor. Türkçe'de İngilizce çevirmek çok zor oldu. Motorları bir şey yok.
There was no clutch first until the oil press. So the bike jumped like this a couple of times.
Debriyajda diyor, ilk başta yağ herhalde çok gelemedi. Yağlanmaya bunda 1250 GS, the grey one, grey olan diyor. Yağlandıktan sonra diyor, kontrol gitti diyor. Bu sefer de fırladı motor altı diyor, önünü kaldırmış.
And two times there was smell.
Bir de koku geldi. İki defa da yoldayken koku geldi diyor. Acaba debriyajlardan mı geldi?
Let's do like this. I will write an email to you with the summarizing report. Yeah. Bikes trip.
It will be perfect. Really, it will be perfect.
I'll send you when I'm back in Finland.
Bir rapor hazırlayacağım, arkadaşlarımla konuşup hangi motordan hangi türlü şikayet var, bu sizin için yapıyor onu. Hani şikayet için değil, sadece bu motorlarda şu eksikler var, biz uzun süre kullandık gibilerinden konuşuyor. En azından usta ona göre bir tamiratını üstlenir diye. It will be perfect.
I will do that. But do we need to sign something or?
Ha, biz bir şey imzalayacağız mı diyor.
Yok, herhangi bir şey yok. Deporto konusunu İstanbul'da gelen